Where should I put this? Put it right here.
You made this?
No, I got it for breakfast.
Okay.
I used one of my food vouchers.
It's that.
It's like, I don't eat breakfast tonight. I might as well get a little dessert.
To open the door for me.
Now. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Sure.
No.
And I'm behind you.
And your
Oh,
co-pilot.
see, we?
Where did Dan?
Briefly, right after instructor slides.
Oh,
You were
okay,
talking to
okay.
Rodi about.
Oh yeah.
Aaron.
Oh.
I was
yes,
right there. I got pulled away because
Yeah,
someone found my
I
wallet.
remember now.
Keep it a little warm. Is that gonna help?
Is there like
And the other grab
Just right on my desk.
Yeah, I don't know.
Not a little.
Yeah.
They do now.
I did.
I hope it's good. There's something that's good. Oh, I should use this on something. No. Okay. If people want more pasta, they can add it.
Right behind you. This side.
They're starting the pizza that Dan made, one of them. But
This is Alright, pieces are going. Seeing everything pull together. Feel free to.
I would love to have this.
Yeah,
Did you still
it
get
smells
pasta?
delicious.
Huh?
Still didn't get pasta?
Yeah, I haven't yet. I was in the middle of mixing it.
Okay, I'm mixing it for you. I hope the proportional portions are good. We'll see.
It smells good to me.
I'm not used to doing for like 20. I felt home. Okay, yeah, help yourself. And there's cream, so there is already a little cream.
That's great. This place reminds me of Mystery Studio.
Yeah,
Right? That area.
yeah. With the sofa, yeah.
So the real question is, how long does a pie take to cook? Okay.
We should have warmed it up in hours.
You did great.
No, yeah.
There's
That would
beer.
only been
That
nice.
was a bit more effort.
But you're working.
Should I put it on a
It's not my pizza.
like with that? No, sorry, the big pizza plate. Warming it, maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know how to.
Can I put this?
You're vegan?
Yes.
I was surprised that
I'm not vegan, but
No?
my frames are.
This is not vegan. No, I think so.
Oh, thank you.
It's good to be vegan.
How you feeling? You feeling like you need to go? Sit somewhere.
Is it good here? It's not. We could put the extra one here. Let's leave it there.
I've heard about you. Well, so I knew you were
salt and pepper.
Okay.
The condiments. There's a beside here in LA condiment department.
You've got so many departments.
Because I got her
You're running a tight ship.
Yeah. And since I came back, we were one of the who's just like practicing all.
Hey, John. Say hello. It's just all around, so
It's like
yeah, 360.
Wow.
So it's just gonna be like someone walking around. It's just gonna feel like
Hi.
flying hit. Hello.
Hello. Do you have to go home right away, or are you staying a bit longer?
I'm staying till Wednesday. I'm pretty sure I have to Wednesday. So a couple of days. I think you trying to get along.
Yeah. I've been out there walking around outside today. It's cool outside.
Super. That would be an understatement. It's crazy. It's crazy hot. Let me put this down.
people are showing up and we're like, not even drinking. So like, I'm over there like shopping. Just like really all the shit. I wasn't. Yeah. I wasn't. It's been a while since I feel like
It was hot.
oh, yeah, time ago. Just like partying. That's how it used to be. You have a party here, and then the next day you like you used to fall asleep on the tables, so we had something going on there. So it's pretty fun. What time might be better? I think Rodi was there. I haven't gone yet. He was like, check this out. This is the fastest way down, and he just like leaps. Like the donuts. My donuts got on Jack Daniels. Walked all the way across town. Got up to Aaron's spot. All I remember is saying hi, and then everybody was picking me up around behind the time. Apparently, I just like
A little bit too long for me.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get some
Yeah, it was the last serious drinking. Well, I guess from what I understand, there was a dresser that stopped my bowl halfway that I hit, so I guess it wasn't that bad. So it's pretty good. I just don't remember. I just remember
Very cool.
You are John's
Yeah.
husband.
Yes. John, Kazan.
John. Clara.
Nice to meet you.
I call you. Thanks to Sylvia's parents.
Oh, yeah.
Not too tired?
No, not too tired, but yeah, I'm a little tired.
I imagine it's Friday.